हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग और रादर गुड आफ्टरनून। 12:09 हो रहे हैं और आज है 12th ऑफ जुलाई 2017 एंड निफ्टी आज गैप अप ओपन हुई। जहां पे कल इसने अपने आप को क्लोजिंग दी थी वहां से करीब इसने 10-11 पॉइंट्स का गैप अप ओपनिंग दिया और उसके बाद ये ऊपर गई। एंड कैन यू सी दिस इज 5 मिनट्स ग्राफ। 5 मिनट्स ग्राफ में इसको रेजिस्टेंस लग रहा है, राइट? ये 5 मिनट्स में 50 मूविंग एवरेज है, 5 मिनट्स में 10 मूविंग एवरेज है। निफ्टी वॉल्यूम्स के साथ ऊपर गई है और तेजी के साथ ऊपर आके, बट इट कुड नॉट सस्टेन इटसेल्फ एंड इट एक्सपीरियंस्ड रेजिस्टेंस, केम डाउन, then again went up, then again came down, then again went up, and then again came down. Once, twice, thrice, and it's every time it has made lower highs, right? And to me, it's a very clear indication that the Nifty plans to go down. And if I tell you honestly, that kind of inkling I had since yesterday, that the Nifty will surely, have some kind of profit booking into it coming in. I was pretty much sure about it that Nifty do plan to have some kind of, profit booking. There must be some profit booking in place today. So with that mind, we have, before I go on, I still want to continue with Nifty, and I want to show you that what has happened in Nifty, how many ways we did found the, that it is going to exhaust. So इसके लिए मैंने क्या किया, एक पिवट पॉइंट्स लगा के रखे हुए थे। तो आज पिवट पॉइंट्स में ये देखिए, ये पिवट पॉइंट्स है एंड पिवट पॉइंट्स आर बेसिकली बेस्ड ऑन द प्रीवियस डे डेटा। इट्स नॉट ये आपको मॉर्निंग में या जिस दिन निफ्टी बंद होती है उस दिन ही आपको पिवट पॉइंट्स मिल जाते हैं। सो अगर हाउ डू वी लुक एट दीज पिवट पॉइंट्स, हमको अपना माइंडसेट बनाना पड़ता है पिवट पॉइंट्स को देख के। अगर निफ्टी पिवट पॉइंट के ऊपर खुलती है, राइट, इसका मतलब इसका पॉजिटिव स्टैंस है, राइट? अगर उसके बाद ऊपर पिवट पॉइंट के ऊपर खुल के या पिवट पॉइंट पे खुल के ऊपर जाती है एंड ये R1 है, फर्स्ट रेजिस्टेंस है, यहां से इसने रेजिस्टेंस लिया और नीचे आ गई, ठीक है? दैट वाज वन इंडिकेशन दैट देयर इज इट डज नॉट हैव स्ट्रेंथ, ठीक है? उसके बाद इसने पिवट पॉइंट को ब्रेक किया, फिर से बुल्स ने इसको ऊपर लेके गए। अगेन ये कैन यू सी दिस लॉन्ग कैंडल, दिस डोजी, अगेन प्रेशर के साथ नीचे आई निफ्टी, फिर ऊपर गई और फिर प्रेशर के साथ अब नीचे आ रही है, राइट? सो अब इसको हम देखते हैं कि इसको कहां तक नीचे जाना चाहिए। अगर हमको तो फर्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर इसका है 9780 में। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द फ्यूचर्स, राइट? फर्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर दैट वन कैन थिंक अबाउट इज 9780। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर इज 9772, राइट? द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर इज 9772, फाइन। एंड अगर ये उसको भी क्रॉस करती है, सो एनीवे, सो अगर ये उसको भी क्रॉस करती है, निफ्टी अगर उसको भी क्रॉस करती है, 9770 को भी क्रॉस करती है, देन द नेक्स्ट स्टॉप ओवर दैट इट विल हैव इज गोना बी एट 9751, राइट? और 9750 यू कैन से, वहां तक ये नीचे जाएगी। सो दिस इज हाउ निफ्टीज स्टांस इज गोना बी today. So let's see. कुछ लगता है कि मुझे जो सबसे ज्यादा क्लैरिटी मिलती है मुझे अपने सेटअप से ही मिलती है, which is where I've put the moving averages, and that gives me a clear understanding what is in store, what is lying ahead. And 5 minutes actually is telling me much more clearer picture, and I'm hoping it to further go down from here. So see, now once I said that we have made up our mind that the Nifty is planning to go down, we have identified stocks yesterday itself which were in the downtrend, right? And we have created our positions in those stocks. So for example, one of the stock that I can show you is Just Dial, which is in the downtrend, right? Which is in the downtrend since yesterday. And since it is in the downtrend, it is on our radar. We will create a position whenever we find that it is experiencing a resistance. We are waiting for the candles to close up below this 10 moving average. We're just waiting for that. Since morning it has not happened that way. So this is a huge resistance Just Dial is experiencing, right? If the candle closes over here, can you see these long tails? These long tails indicate that it goes up and comes down, goes up and comes down, goes up and comes down with heavy pressure. And if the candles form here, means it's kind of a confirmation that the trend of this stock is going to be downwards only. So that was one. And then we have identified Cipla, which is also in the downtrend. You can see this is how it is going. I mean, starting from 1 day to 1 hour to 30 minutes, you see all the time frame, it is experiencing resistance. So for us, this was one stock. And then the other stock that we had on our radar was LIC Housing. So these are the stocks that we have prepared and we are ready. And we have created, in some of them, we have created our positions in the form of puts or the futures. And of course, we are in the right place at the right time. And as I'm expecting Nifty to further go down, and I'm sure we will all have good profit by the end of the day. So, you know, like yesterday I was listening to a few of my videos and I was thinking that I've been really loudly talking about to join, my webinars. And I felt that it is something, probably I'm overdoing it. Then, you know, I thought about it and I said, no, I'm not overdoing it. If my speaking it again and again can prevent one person from, taking wrong trades by learning it correctly, then I'm not doing anything which is incorrect. You know, it is on the, जब आप मेरा webinar join करते हो तो मैं आपको बोलती हूँ कि मैं आपको 17,700 I'm surely going to make you recover. I'm giving you 6 months, services free where you will get all the calls, जो भी stocks की calls हो या फिर कोई भी और call हो, वो मैं आपको free दूंगी. Then where is the loss? You have no losses. You have just, you're learning for lifelong and you are earning for at least along with me for 6 months. So I don't see any losses, and I feel, even if I'm saying many times and even if it may look, overdoing, I don't care about it. Even if there is 1 or 2 or 3 more people join, at least those 3 or 4 people will be saved from, taking wrong trades. And if I can do that through my YouTube channel, I will continue doing it. I'll continue making, noise so that more and more people can hear me and more people can join the webinar. Okay. So the positions that we have created are in Cipla and is in LIC Housing, Just Dial, and we expect Nifty to go down. We definitely expect Nifty to go down. Give us a good momentum. And I'm sure if the momentum comes, there will be a good fall it should show. Right? I think now it's waiting for European market to open and उसके बाद ही इसमें कुछ और clarity आएगी. ठीक है? So, of course, there are a few stocks which are doing really, really well. For example, Biocon, although, see, this is, how Biocon has gone. So, I have made it morning range I've marked. And I thought if it crosses it, it will definitely go up. There are many other symbols and the many other things which are telling me that the Biocon plans to go up. Then we had ACC on our radar, which was also doing very, very good. It opened with a gap up, opening. And after that, it's been just going up. So this was another stock that we had on our radar. Then McDowell's, you can see, that's also doing well. But of course, after the morning gap up, there is a bit of profit booking that is coming in. So, yesterday I was talking to another webinar member and he was asking me in the middle of the day that, do you have a trade? I said, I'm absolutely blank. If you ask me in the middle of the trading session, I will have no trade. I can only give you a trade if I've identified a day before. I'm going to only look for my supports or resistance in those trades when the market is on. If you ask me to it'll take me good 1 hour or 2 hours to find out a trade in the moving market. I cannot do that, And of course, whatever trade I will identify, that has to comply to the rules that I have set. Like if I'm selling it, then all the candles should be below all the averages, and if I'm buying, then all the candles should be above all the averages. So those rules have to be satisfied. I will not go against my rule. So these are, of course, when you will join my webinar, you will be able to filter out the stocks. You'll be able to learn the ways to filter out the stock, and you will find out, how do you combine it with different other parameters and create a good trade for the next day, right? This is what we do in our webinar. It's a complete setup. It is just not that I'm teaching you one particular strategy. There is everything that I know about stocks. How do you buy? How do you sell? How do you filter out stocks? How do you create a position? How do you exit your position? When do you exit your position? And hand holding till you really make some good profit is going to be my promise to you all. And this is how it is. So again, let's go back to, see, this is Cipla. So Cipla, yesterday we have even made the detail, can you see this first candle? You can see this first candle, right? So when I was discussing it with my members, I told them that the stock, what I expect tomorrow, that Nifty will open gap up, right? Since the Nifty is opening gap up, this stock will also go up. And if it takes a resistance here, I'm going to sell it. That was my strategy. So ये all this filtering, ये कल हमने सब कुछ रात में करके रखा हुआ था. किस पॉइंट तक जाएगा वो भी क्लियर था कि 544 तक जाएगा. अगर ये स्टॉक 544 टच करके आता है, मींस 544, 543, 542 को अगर टच करके नीचे आता है, मींस this stock will definitely go down. And this long tail, this huge long tail confirmed our trade, and the moment it happened, we created our position. Fine. Similarly, we were pretty much sure about LIC housing, and we were very much surprised to see and hear it on the TV as well in the morning. So our trade gets ready a day before. It's not on the day, it's not in the morning, it's a day before that we have our trade in the entire setup in our hand. Fine. So this is Nifty again, trying to find its, supports and struggling. So let's see. To me, until in 5 minutes it goes above this 50 moving average, I can't say that it does plan to go up. I still feel that it does plan to go down only. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा ये जो डेली डाली है, छोटी छोटी सी कैंडल्स बन रही है, ये बन रही है in the weight of European market, right? जैसे यूरोपियन मार्केट अगर थोड़ा सा भी वीक हुआ, Nifty will show a good downfall, right? So that is what I feel. That is what should be lying ahead in store. Let's see how much comes true, how much is true, and that will only get to know after say another hour or so. So thank you guys for watching my videos, and I really get encouraged when you write your comments, when you say that you are benefiting from it, or you are being able to have a mindset and you're not scared of the stock market. I really feel very good about it at that time. And please keep posting your comments, please keep posting your views, and I surely will try to address them. And I really get a lot of letters from young youth, how they find my YouTube channel, and I'm so encouraged. You all give me reason to look forward for tomorrow, and reason for create something new every day. So thank you all for being part of this journey, this beautiful journey, and I wish to continue in much better way every day, and hope it creates value in your life. Bye bye, good day. See you all in my webinar. Every single person who watches my video should at least save some money for the day when you can join my webinar. I'll be so happy, and I'm promising that you will recover your money in no time, and you will be happiest person on the earth, right? So see you, bye bye, good day. It's really nice in Gurgaon. It's cloudy and weather is pretty good, pleasant. So let's combine it with good trades, and I'm sure we'll all have a good party. Bye bye.